Do you want to become a millionaire? Welcome to a journey where we unfold the secrets of wealth accumulation. In this video, we're going to delve into actionable tips that could potentially skyrocket your earnings. Whether you're an established entrepreneur or someone who's just setting foot in the entrepreneurial world, these insights will be beneficial. We'll explore the mindset of a millionaire, smart money management, and the importance of continuous learning and networking. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your millionaire dream? First and foremost, developing a millionaire mindset is crucial. This mindset is not about having an endless supply of cash, but rather, it's about cultivating an attitude of abundance, positivity, and growth. Millionaires don't see obstacles, they see challenges, they don't see problems, they see opportunities. When faced with adversity, they don't crumble. They learn, adapt, and come back stronger. What sets millionaires apart is their unyielding belief in their abilities and their unwavering focus on their goals. They set clear financial objectives and work tirelessly to achieve them. They don't let setbacks deter them. Instead, they use them as fuel to push harder, to go further. This mindset is not exclusive to millionaires. Anyone can adopt it. It's about making a conscious decision to think big, to strive for more, to never settle. Remember, your mindset can either make you or break you. Now that you have the right mindset, let's talk about money management. You see, even if you have millions in the bank without proper management, those millions can slip through your fingers like sand. So, let's start with budgeting. It's not about restrictions, it's about understanding your income and expenses and making informed decisions. Next up, saving. The trick here isn't just to save, but to save smartly. Consider emergency funds, retirement plans, and high-yield savings accounts. Your saved money should always be working for you. Then, we have investing. It's not just for the wealthy. Everyone can and should invest. It's about growing your wealth, not just maintaining it. And remember, diversification is your friend here. And lastly, aim for multiple streams of income and steer clear of unnecessary debts. These can be your secret weapons in wealth accumulation. Smart money management is the key to financial freedom. Apart from managing your money, continuous learning and networking are also vital. Picture this. You're on a journey, with becoming a millionaire as your destination. Just like any other travel, you need updated maps and the right companions to get there. Continuous learning is your map. It allows you to adapt to ever-changing landscapes, equipping you with the latest trends, skills, and knowledge in your industry. It's an ongoing process, and the more you learn, the more you realize how much more there is to understand. Now, imagine networking as your companions on this journey. Building strong relationships with successful individuals can open doors to opportunities you might not even be aware of. They can provide insights, advice, and can even become your mentors. Remember, it's not just about what you know, but also who you know. Never stop learning and networking, because your network is your net worth. Alright, we've covered a lot in this short video. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed to ensure these millionaire tips really sink in. Firstly, we delved into the mindset of a millionaire. Remember, it's about more than just the desire to amass wealth. It's about a hunger for success, a passion for innovation, and an unyielding belief in your own capabilities. It's about setting lofty goals and having the tenacity to chase them, come what may. Next, we turned our attention to smart money management. We stressed the importance of not just earning money, but making your money work for you. This involves savvy investments, budgeting wisely, and understanding the value of a dollar. Remember, a millionaire isn't someone who spends extravagantly, but someone who invests judiciously. Then, we explored the crucial role of continuous learning and networking. Millionaires know that knowledge is power and that success is often about who you know as much as what you know. So keep expanding your horizons, keep learning, and keep building those valuable connections. So, start today, apply these tips, and who knows, you might be the next millionaire on the block. Until next time, keep striving for success.